Crisp winter days and chainsaws, an unlikely duo, right? But at Weetzer's Woodshop on Whidbey Island, it's all part of the show. Imagine burly wood sculptures now sporting frosty white hats, thanks to Mother Nature's sense of humor. Snow-kissed bears, eagles, sea otters, and even orcas, all posing in their wintry splendor. It's as if the forest came alive and decided to have a snowball fight, but forgot to duck. So, next time you're feeling chilly, remember our frosted friends at Weetzer's Woodshop. They might be cold, but they're always ready to put on a show.